welcome back to the channel, man. Welcome back to the channel. Today's video, man, I get a lot of questions asking me if they should mod their car, and I say it all depends. What the heck is going on the street? I say it depends, man. It depends on what you're gonna do with it. Meaning, are you gonna pay it off? Are you going to are you gonna keep it? Are you leasing it? Are you financing it? All that plays a part in whether or not you should mod your car. I think some people are under the impression that when you mod your car, it's worth more money. Now, if you go back through my videos, and I'm gonna leave a link in the description where I talk about when I tried to trade my car into the Dodge dealership, what they told me because I had those mods on my car. The thing about these cars, man, is when you mod them, to you, it's worth more money than what they actually worth to the dealership or to someone else. Come on, man. Daggone Corolla. I give you a pass because you got a Corolla. Because the dealership, you got to think about it like this. The dealership, man, the jump screaming today. The dealership wants the car basic. They don't want a car with mods on it. I don't care if you put $10,000 into that car. To the dealership, it's worth nothing. That 10 grand is 10 grand in a hole. Because you got to look at it like this. The next person that buys that car, they want to put their own touches on it. Some people don't want to buy a car. Most people don't want to buy a car that's already been modded. Especially these cars, these Dodge Chargers and Challengers. Most people don't want a car like this already modded. If that's the case, don't go to the dealership and buy it. Buy it from a private owner. If you're gonna sell it privately, you might can get more money for it if it's modded. But a lot of people are going to the dealerships and complaining when they get their trade-in value that the car, they got $10,000 worth of mods, $5,000 worth of mods. But to the dealership, that means nothing, absolutely nothing. And I already knew that, and I found that out the hard way. Again, when I went to trade in my RT, and I said, well, I got boiler mufflers on here, I put a Hellcat wing on here, I did this, I did that, has 275s on it. The dealership gave me absolutely nothing for those mods. Matter of fact, they rejected the car. So if you go back to that video, I explain everything in that video. So I be getting questions, and I read on the forum people asking, will my car be worth more because I got Pro Charge on it? Will it be worth more because I put 275s all the way around? Absolutely not. The tires are brand new. They may take that into consideration. You know what I'm saying? Other than that, it's best to trade your car in stock. If you still got the stuff that you took off of the car, it's best to put it back on, then try to trade it in. So if you got 24s on that joint, keep your 24s and put the factory wheels back on it, because they're not gonna give you anything for those 24s. I'm telling you right now. You just giving away money. You better off selling the wheels after you trade in the car. And if you don't believe me, go to any dealership and ask, and they'll tell you. So I just wanted to answer that question, man. I get that question a lot, and the dealerships, man, they do not care about how much money you put into these cars, bro. They want a factory, because they're thinking about the next customer. They're not thinking about, oh, he put a Pro Charge on here, now it got 150 more horsepower. They do not care about that. It's unfortunate, but it is what it is. So guys, remember, if you got an RT, Scat Pack, Hellcat, whatever it is, and you think you want to trade it in, take off your mods, bro. Take everything off your car, because they're not gonna give you nothing for it. I'm telling you from experience. I know you may think it's worth something, but to them, man, they don't care. They really don't care. As a matter of fact, they may completely reject the car like they did my RT. Now, there's some mods you can do that you may, like I said, you can bring up the fact that you put tires on there, because they look at the tires, because they need to figure out whether or not they need to put tires on the car. But if you got brand new tires on it, regardless of what size they are, they take that into consideration as far as the value of the car. So don't take your car and need to trade it in after you done burn all the tread off the car, because that's gonna take away from the value even more. So I hope that answered the question, man. It's a quick video. Like I said, I try to do videos like this when I get questions. If I can answer the questions, I'll answer them. If I can't, I won't. You know what I'm saying? I'm not no expert, but stuff like this that I have experience with, I will answer the question for you. And I'm gonna start doing more quick videos, short videos like this, because like I said, my analytics just show that a lot of people just skip through the videos. And I mean, I get it. So if you start seeing more short videos, just kind of getting this right to the point, that's what it's about. I'm gonna just start doing some short videos, and some videos may be a little longer, but I think this will help out the channel, you know, instead of putting a whole bunch of fluff in the video, because you gotta understand, YouTubers, they get more money. The more ads that the viewer sees, they get more money. So that's why they try to stretch the videos out. But if I have a topic that I want to talk about that don't require a whole bunch of fluff in the video, then I'll just start doing more videos like this. I think that'll help it out. You know, that way you guys can get what you need. Hopefully get some questions answered instead of watching a whole bunch of other crap before you actually get to what you clicked on a video about. So I think that's why I'm gonna start doing more short videos, not 2-minute videos, but you know, just a little short. Instead of 15, you know, 20-minute videos, they'll be, you know, 4, 5 to 6 minutes long. So leave your comments, man, if you want to see more videos like this. And also leave your comments if you watch the whole video. I'm not saying that all the videos are going to be super short, but I'm going to try to not make them as long, because it helps out the channel when you guys watch the whole video. It helps, you know, YouTube will promote the videos more, which bring in, you know, more subscribers, more revenue for me, so I can do more mods to this car. Because that's what I use to mod the cars, is, you know, revenue from the channel. Because again, I'm not doing a whole bunch of ridiculous stuff on my channel, so people not watching my videos as long. So if this is your first time on my channel, hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.